How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed problem. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed problem. This error can occur if you are not connected to the internet or not having an active internet subscription. So, make sure before proceeding your internet connection is good. First, make sure you are on the phone's home screen where all the apps normally appear. After that, long press on the Instagram app icon. After doing that, this menu will pop up. From the menu, tap on the app settings icon. It is this icon here. You will land on the app info page where you will see and be able to change the app settings. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. From the options that appear here, tap on this one here named Storage. This is the storage settings of the app, as you can see. After tapping on it, this page will appear where you will see two options. Your page may be slightly different in appearance, but the functionality is the same. Finally, tap on this option here named Clear Cache and the app cache will be cleared. This helps because the files that were corrupted causing the app not to function well will disappear. That will ensure you get the app to run well. Finally, exit the app info page and open the Play Store. After that, search for Instagram. Next, check if the Instagram app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get all the latest plus missing features on the app. Also, this will ensure the app is installed freshly, and that will make the app function well. I hope this video has helped you. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed problem.